I want to say bang. Bang.
Hello, and welcome to the LB News Today show with me, Seb Summers.
Alpha Donkey Coots.
Yeah, and him. And today, we're going to shoot each other. Not yet! So we think that Arthur could be hiding in Mum's room.
Oh,
Are you
what
alright?
the hell is wrong with you?
Look, come on, man. I'm sorry. Look, please, just turn the camera up. Okay, so we think that Arthur's hiding in my mum's room, so we're going to go find him now. Ha! Get out of it! I think he's dead. I think he's been knocked out anyway. So I've got to take him back to the incinerator, so that there's no evidence found. Let's go.